So we're going to exit na and we will have a video podcast for a detailed discussion then about our project. Ayan. So we'll get the ID. Ayan. Hi Kuya! Thank you so much po. Alright. So our next stop is sa Hampton Orchards. So it offers another lot only for sale. And yun nga, very near lang din siya sa SM Telebastagan. It's just about 3 to 5 minutes away. And so we will going to enter Angeles or exit sa Angeles. So, ayan. Malapit na niyan tayo sa Angeles exit sa NLEX, no? From there, it's about few minutes away na lang din going to Hampton Orchard. So next stop will be sa Hampton Orchard. And dito sa area na to, actually even si Ayala magkakaroon ng another development dito na mga commercial spaces, no? It's one of the central business district dito sa Angeles. And yun nga, si Hampton Orchard kasi, yun nga na it's between the two cities. Located siya almost sa boundary ng San Fernando and even sa Angeles. So we will be heading yan doon. And yun nga, isa sa mga landmark na meron si Hampton is very close or very near siya sa SM Telebastagan. So it's about 3 to 5 minutes. So you will see naman through this vlog. So from this rotonda, ayan, mapupuntahan na natin yung SM Telebastagan. And of course, meron din tong malapit na mga schools and mga hospitals. So one of the schools we have dito. Ayan, dito sa this one is the Chevalier School, one of the prominent na school dito sa Pampanga. And then here's the boundary of the Angeles to San Fernando. Magmula dito, again, very close lang talaga siya, very near, which is about 3 to 5 minutes away. So this is the SM Telebastagan. Actually, there are two ways going to Hampton Orchard. We could go straight or pwede na tayong right side going to Panings. Or yun nga, dire-diretso lang tayo, pwede yun. But we could choose the other side para we could have an idea kung saan yung access niya. Di bali, ito, meron kang access going to Panings. We'll just turn right. Going to turn right here. So the good thing here is ginawa na yung daan dito, no? And very smooth na lang din yung travel time dahil nga yung road infrastructure dito is in-improve talaga nila. So from this stoplight, we'll just turn right. Itong daan na to, kapag tinuloy-tuloy nyo siya, it's an access going to Friendship Highway or sa Friendship area wherein nandun yung Korean town and pwede na din going to Clark International Airport. So you have the access kapag dinediretso mo to. However, we're going to turn left since this is the way going to Hampton. So as we turn left, we'll just go straight, and then from here, right beside the road, nandun na yung papuntang Hampton. See the signage of Hampton Orchard, no? Yung arrow niya is just go straight, and then few seconds lang nandyan na tayo. So we're just going to turn right. So you will notice turn right. So this is the right of way going to Hampton. And what I love dito sa right of way niya ay madaming mga puno din na very aesthetic din, no? Pwede kang mag-jog dito during the morning. Ayan. So, yeah, you could see the flag of the Philinvest. So, yan. And one thing that I love sa right of way niya is sobrang lawak ng ano niya, or sobrang lapad ng road nila. Ayan. You will see naman dyan, no? You will notice. And then, ito na yung pinaka main entrance ni Hampton Orchard. The project dito or ni Philinvest is, syempre meron tayong guard check. Ayan. So dahil kilala na tayo dito. Hello po. Kuya.
Hi, boss.
Yan.
Andiyan lang po sila sa
surgery.
Opo.
Ayan. So, alright. Thank you.
Sila natin sa may courters na.
Alright. Dahil kilala na po tayo dito at tayo yung pero they will going to kumbaga get your ID if hindi pa kayo kilala dito, no? So that's form part of the security and safety din ng isang project dito sa Philinvest, which is again, this is the Hampton Orchard. It's the community, and malapit lang din yung Clubhouse nila. So ito yan. Ito yung sa Hampton Orchard. At may malaking, pa siya? Hampton, parang bricks na ginawang per letter, no? Yung sa Hampton. To form the word Hampton.